Welcome to Quiz Splash, the ultimate place for fun and exciting quiz challenges. Today's challenge is Guess the Celebrity by the Eyes. Can you recognize your favorite stars from just their eyes? Let's test your celebrity knowledge. It's the Queen of Pop herself, Taylor Swift. Those legendary eyes belong to football superstar Cristiano Ronaldo. It's the talented singer and actress Selena Gomez. Mission accepted. It's Tom Cruise. These iconic eyes belong to Ariana Grande. Can you smell what The Rock is cooking? It's Dwayne Johnson. Those unique eyes belong to Billie Eilish. It's Hollywood legend Leonardo DiCaprio. Those stylish eyes belong to Zendaya. It's Justin Bieber. It's reality TV icon Kim Kardashian. Genius, billionaire, superhero, Robert Downey Jr. Wingardium Leviosa. It's Emma Watson. Those famous eyes belong to Brad Pitt. Shine bright like a diamond, it's Rihanna. The God of Thunder himself, Chris Hemsworth. These colorful eyes belong to Katy Perry. Captain Jack Sparrow himself, Johnny Depp. It's the amazing Jennifer Lawrence. Those charming eyes belong to Shawn Mendes. Black Widow revealed Scarlett Johansson. These familiar eyes belong to Ed Sheeran. It's the stunning Margot Robbie. Welcome to Hollywood, it's Will Smith. Dance the night away with Dua Lipa. You're breathtaking. It's Keanu Reeves. Wednesday's star Jenna Ortega. Those stylish eyes belong to Harry Styles. Wonder Woman herself, Gal Gadot. The King of Humor, Ryan Reynolds. It's pop sensation Olivia Rodrigo. Captain America revealed Chris Evans. Poker face superstar Lady Gaga. Wildcat fans know it's Zac Efron. Stranger Things star Millie Bobby Brown. Aquaman himself, Jason Momoa. Havana singer Camila Cabello. The boy wizard Daniel Radcliffe. Those elegant eyes belong to Anne Hathaway. "24K magic in the air," Bruno Mars. It's actress Megan Fox. Family first Vin Diesel. The pop-punk queen Avril Lavigne. Doctor Strange himself, Benedict Cumberbatch. Oh, Kerr, it's Cardi B. Wolverine revealed Hugh Jackman. It's the talented Natalie Portman. God's Plan singer Drake. Those famous eyes belong to Sydney Sweeney. It's the legendary Idris Elba. Fashion icon Hailey Bieber. Your friendly Spider-Man Andrew Garfield. Supermodel Bella Hadid revealed. Those recognizable eyes belong to Timothée Chalamet. Hollywood superstar Angelina Jolie. It's rapper Travis Scott. Mother of Dragons Emilia Clarke. Teen movie star Noah Centineo. The Queen's Gambit star Anya Taylor-Joy. It's superstar actor Michael B. Jordan. That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.